In this video, we're diving into the heart of one of America's greatest passions, football. If you've ever been to the US, you know that football isn't just a sport, it's a way of life. From massive stadiums filled with roaring fans to families gathering around the TV on game day, it's a tradition that brings people together like nothing else. With so many teams and players, only a few names truly stand out as icons of the game. Today, I'll be drawing two of those standout stars, Christian McCaffrey, known for his unstoppable versatility, and Lamar Jackson, a quarterback with skills that redefine the position. Let's see if I can capture the greatness of these two legends on paper. Let's kick things off with Christian McCaffrey, or CMC as fans call him. This guy is a one-man wrecking crew. He can run, catch, block, and make highlight reel plays week after week. When I think about McCaffrey, I think about his intensity, his focus, and his ability to take over a game. That's the energy I wanted to bring to this drawing. I've chosen a pose where he's mid-sprint, holding the football tight, ready to break through the defense. And of course, I've included his iconic red and gold 49ers jersey.
He go, there he go. The flash in the night, the flash on the right. Yeah, he going way too fast. Yeah, he on the zoom gas, the flash going past. Vroom, the flash, that's gas. There he go, there he go. Yeah, push the D to the limit, making it far in a minute. Ain't no way you gonna get it. Got so much cash, you can't spend it. He goes so fast when he's sitting. White boy with a Lambo motor in it. Not slow needle, you know he been it. NASCAR into, you know he win it. This boy go hard and he bit it.
One of the things I really enjoyed working on was his expression. McCaffrey has this calm yet determined look when he's on the field, and I tried to capture that intensity in his face. For the background, I decided to go with bold flames to match his fiery play style. It's all about making the energy leap off the page.
Flash, that's gas, there he go, there he go. Got new pipes in the back, stacked with glass packs. Gas, and that's just facts. He go hard, it's not hard, best to keep up your...
Next, let's move on to Lamar Jackson, one of the most electrifying players in the NFL. Lamar isn't just a quarterback, he's a game changer. His speed, his agility, and his ability to make defenders miss are what make him so unique. For this piece, I wanted to capture his signature style, so I gave him a confident smirk, paired with his classic Ravens purple jersey and a beanie to match his cool off-field vibe.
In every art game, there's a nation to lead. All the gridiron's glory, where heroes are born. In the battle of the brave, through the pain they've sworn. With the ball in hand, in the hearts of fans. This is where we rise, where America stands. The play is in motion, every move calculated, fueled by devotion. A linebacker's fury, a running back's grace. A nation holds its breath as they chase. From pop Warner dreams to Super Bowl rings. In the story of football, every fan sings a Hail Mary prayer, a goal line stand. It's more than a game, it's a fight for the land. All the gridiron's glory, where heroes are born. In the battle of the brave, through the pain they've sworn. With the ball in hand, in the hearts of fans. This is where we rise, where America stands. From pop border dreams to Super Bowl rings. In the story of football, every fan sings a Hail Mary prayer, a goal line stand.
For the background, I couldn't resist adding some lightning bolts. Because let's face it, Lamar is electric on the field. I also focused on making his pose dynamic, holding the football like he's ready to make a game-changing play. This is Lamar Jackson in his element, and I hope it shines through in the drawing.
Where America stands. Through snow and rain, through sun.
Here they are side by side, Christian McCaffrey and Lamar Jackson. Two players with completely different play styles, but equally legendary status in the making. For McCaffrey, I wanted the flames to highlight his intensity, and for Lamar, the lightning bolts to capture his electric moves. These two are what makes football so exciting, and I hope these drawings bring their energy to life. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which NFL players I should draw next. Maybe Mahomes, Jalen Hurts, or even a throwback to Peyton Manning. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.